Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how exciting it is to manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Dogecoin from your Arculus wallet to Gemini in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is even more secure and user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the 2025 version. This ensures you have all the latest security features. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Dogecoin holdings by selecting the Assets tab and choosing Dogecoin from the list. Next, head over to your Gemini account on a separate device or browser for security reasons. Log in, go to the Deposit section, and select Dogecoin. Copy the unique deposit address provided by Gemini. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in the Arculus wallet, select the Withdraw option for Dogecoin. Paste the Gemini address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review any transaction fees. In 2025, Arculus has streamlined this with on-screen warnings for potential issues, so keep an eye out. Hit Confirm and authenticate with your wallet's security measures like biometrics or a PIN. After confirmation, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Gemini account to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your funds safe. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from Arculus to Gemini in 2025. It's a simple process that puts you in control of your crypto. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.